Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bayu Antrakusuma, and today I want to present my research for the title Flip Flat Design of Virtual Laboratory Assisted Learning Model with Flipped Classroom in Basic Chemistry course. The introduction. The development of information technology is essential in education. In addition, 21st century skills are also required. The skill can be developed through science education. Science education is closely related to experiment. However, science study program in university, especially in Central Java and Yogyakarta, have lack facilities and experimental activities. Basic chemistry is one of the subjects with minimal experimentation and low scores. The learning process also doesn't utilize interactive media, and the learning model is not effective. Because of that, we develop a learning model assisted by virtual lab and flipped classroom. What is virtual laboratory? Virtual laboratory is a medium for conducting digital practical work. This is an alternative solution for institutions that do not have laboratories or have limitation in utilizing laboratories. On the other hand, virtual laboratories can also serve as preparation for students before conducting the actual experiment, so it can save time in laboratory. Flipped classroom is an approach that requires students to study independently outside of class through various sources such as videos and reading so that time in class, offline class can be used for more in-depth discussion and application of these concepts that have been learned. Virtual laboratory and flipped classroom will be combined into learning model that covers various aspects of the teaching and learning process, including strategies, methods, and interaction between educators and students. For the research method, uh, this is a research and development using Dick Carey and Borg and Goal design. So the learning model development is currently in step 7 of that design process. You can see the picture. Research and develop discussion. Result and discussion. The framework of the conceptual model, we combine three elements to develop learning. Of course, virtual laboratory and flipped classroom. And the last is existing learning models, non-learning models, scientific inquiry. We break down the syntax of in scientific inquiry, then combine the stage of the flipped classroom and insert virtual laboratory into each session so that the flip-flap learning model was developed. So you can see the picture. This is my framework. After that, also we uh, develop the syntax of flip-flap learning model. So this is the picture. There are 6 steps. The first step is preparing the study. In this step, student will study learning material provided by educators through LMS, and then collecting data. Student will formulate problem, conduct digital experiments through virtual laboratories, and also record research data. And then the third step, preliminary assessment. A student will take an evaluation test to determine readiness to learn before entering the classroom, entering the offline class after the digital class. In the offline class, uh, confirming data. Student will confirm the data by conducting collaborative online experiment using virtual or real laboratories if possible. So in this step, student will replay the virtual laboratory or do the real laboratories in laboratory if possible. The fifth step is analyzing. Student will analyze experimental result by linking theories from reliability, literature search. And the last is concluding, summarize the result of the investigation and present them. In addition to syntax, there are four important aspects of the learning model by Joyce 2015. There are social system, support system, principles of reaction, and instructional effect. Social system of flip-flap learning model is democratic, responsive, and collaborative and open. The support system are interactive LMS, interactive learning management system, virtual laboratory, and digital learning materials. Principle of reaction, educators encourage curiosity by presenting phenomena that sparks question. They give students space to formulate hypotheses and evaluate data independently. They provide reflective feedback, not just correct or incorrect correction. They appreciate students' scientific approach even if experimental results are not yet accurate. Instructional effect, for instructional, we hope this learning model can improve conceptual understanding of basic chemistry, develop inquiry and critical thinking skills, increase student active engagement in the scientific learning process, and the accompanying uh, we hope the learning model also can foster independent learning, improve digital and scientific literacy, encourage scientific attitude such as objectivity, cooperation, and responsibility. So this is the conclusion of uh, my presentation. The flip-flap learning model is a model developed to facilitate science learning or basic chemistry especially that has limitation in conducting experiment in the laboratory in order to improve student learning performance. This model integrates scientific inquiry and flipped classroom and use a virtual laboratory as an experimental media. The flip-flap learning model includes a systematic syntax that are preparing to study, collecting data, preliminary assessment, confirming data, analyzing, and concluding. Support by a social system, reaction principle, a support system, and instructional effect. This research is currently in seven stage of development and will continue with evaluation and testing to assess its feasibility and effectiveness. I think that's all my presentation. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.